Hello, in front of me I have got Throne and Liberty. In this video I'll show you how to dissolve or destroy equipment. In the beginning, let's go to inventory, and right here we've got crafting materials, miscellaneous growth materials, consumables and equipment. We can dissolve them or destroy them. Select what do you want to dissolve, confirm, and confirm again, and install. Thanks to dissolving, you got more of the lowest quality of the material. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.